I'm Angela with Angela with Video, and today we are talking about the features included on the free plan for Google Meet. Google Meet is currently offering their paid Essentials plan for free until September 30th, but starting October 1st, you're going to need to pay if you want to keep the essential features. So this video is all about the free features you can get at the base level. So your meetings are going to be limited to 1 hour, which isn't too bad considering Zoom limits free meetings to 40 minutes. You can have up to 100 people in your meeting, which is a lot, and you can have an unlimited amount of meetings. Now, we have screen share capabilities, closed captioning, which is great, and both of those are available in their web browser and on their mobile app. They also have adjustable layouts and safety things like encryptions and anti-abuse. However, if you're looking for a higher level of security, or if you're looking to be able to kind of save and the meetings you're in, to do screen recordings, to have more people for a longer amount of time, all of those features are going to be in their paid plans, and they have the essential plans and the enterprise plan. So if you're looking to keep with the free version of Google Meets after October 1st, those are just some of the features that you're going to be able to access.